Hello, and this is Project 1. So Project 1, number 1, we're finding an average or mean length of the aircraft. In order to do that, we have 3 aircraft. One is 25 feet long, the next is 40 feet long, and the one after that is 35 feet long. So you'll add those together, and you'll get 100 feet total of aircraft. Now we're going to divide that 100 feet by how many aircraft we have, which is 3 aircraft. We'll get an answer of 33.33 repeating. We only want you to round to 2 decimals, so 33.33333 gives us 33.33 for an answer. For number 2, we have a sphere or a ball with a circumference of 42 inches. But we have to find the volume of the sphere. Volume is 4/3 pi radius cubed. So I need to find that radius. Well, on our formula sheet, we know that circumference equals pi times diameter. So if we have 42 for circumference, we can find the diameter. In order to do that, we're going to divide 42 and pi d by pi. The pi's cancel each other out, leaving me with just diameter on one side. And we're going to divide by pi 3.1416 to get 13.37 for a diameter. Now if you remember, radius is half diameter. So if I take that 13.37 and divide it by 2, I will get the radius of 6.69. Now I can plug radius in to our volume equation. So volume is going to equal 4/3 times pi 3.1416 times the radius that we found, 6.69 cubed. So let's plug that into our calculators. Remember, you can do 4ABC3 in order to get the fraction, times 3.1416 times 6.69 cubed. And we'll get the volume of the sphere to be 1254.20. I'm only looking for the number, but this is in inches cubed. Just so that you're aware that volume is units cubed. For question number 3, we have a cylinder. So this is my attempt at drawing a cylinder. It has a diameter or distance across of 3 inches. And we have 8 inches of height on that cylinder. Now if you remember from the formula sheet, volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height. So volume is going to equal 3.1416 times half of our diameter for radius. So half of our diameter is 1.5 inches squared times our height, which was 8 inches. So 3.1416 times 1.5 squared times 8. And you'll get the volume of this cylinder to be 56.55 inches cubed. So that was question 3. Question 4 is the same thing, except for now they're relating it to an engine. Bore is the same thing as diameter. And stroke is the same thing as height. So it gives us a cylinder, and it says our bore is 5 inches, so that's our diameter, and our stroke or height is 6 inches in height. So we're going to do the same thing as the last problem. Volume equals pi radius squared times height. So 3.1416 times our diameter is 5 inches. Half of that is the radius, so 2.5 will be our radius squared times our height of 6 inches. So 3.14 times 2.5 squared times our 6 inches in height, and we will get 117.81 cubic inches of displacement for our engine. That means one cylinder displaces that many cubic inches. So question 5, I have the same cylinder, but now my engine has 6 cylinders. So if this is for one cylinder, and I have 6 cylinders total, I'll take that 117 times 81 times 6 cylinders to get the total cubic inch displacement of that engine. So this engine is going to displace 706.86 cubic inches of air total. And that brings us to the end of project 1.